ecotourism in Cebu. Again, the slogan is "What's New in Old Cebu?" While globally, eco-travel is the new concept. As Miss Cebu, how would you start or strengthen ecotourism in Cebu?
I am proud to say that I have already started just by joining Miss Cebu. All the activities that were lined up for us, I was able to experience so much wonder about Cebu. There are more than Cebu, just like adventure. And we are able to learn that there's a lot to see environmentally. So we have to start there and do what we can to keep that environmentalism alive, just by taking care of what we have here in Cebu and trying to enjoy it and share it to everybody else, not only in this generation, but on the future generation.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's candidate number 6, Pierre Anthor Infante. Thank you very much, Pierre. And now let's move on to our next finalist. It's candidate number 4. She must be having the confidence right now because you are all there to support her. Hi, Chloe. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much for asking.
And I'm sure you're ready. So the question is, the slogan is, what's new in old Cebu? And while globally eco-travel is a new concept, as Miss Cebu, how would you start or strengthen ecotourism in Cebu? The slogan is, what's new in old Cebu? While globally eco-travel is a new concept, as Miss Cebu, how would you start or strengthen ecotourism in Cebu?
In my line of work, it is important as a sales executive to understand and to profile your market. And if our market is a global market, I believe what we can do to help strengthen ecotourism in Cebu is to focus on the small and very beautiful sceneries here in Cebu. And I always say this, my passion are the stories behind these sceneries. Not only do we say that these sceneries are beautiful, but we show the people what culture, what art, and what heritage there is behind these beautiful sceneries. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
You are excited, here is your question. The slogan is, that you may read, as what's new in old Cebu? Well, globally eco-travel is a new concept. As Miss Cebu, how would you start or strengthen ecotourism in Cebu? Ayan, the slogan is what's new in old Cebu. Well, globally eco-travel is a new concept. As Miss Cebu, how would you start or strengthen ecotourism?
Maay sila duha manubag pero pagpapahay.
I've always believed in the power of people. If I want to promote ecotourism in Cebu, which is, by the way, my advocacy, I would like to tell people, teach by promoting volunteerism to our youth, because they are our future and they will be the ones who will be taking care of our Mother Earth in the future. I would want to help my plan of my project to be implemented in the city, which may include eco-travel. Because basically, the youth, they are creative, they are innovative, and I know that I myself cannot reach my goal of maximizing ecotourism, but I know that with them and when we hold hands, we can reach that star, and we can take the first step to a mile-long journey. Good evening.
That's maneuver, as beautiful as she is, then I'm sure we'll get to that goal. Thank you very much, Jody. Now let's call on our fourth finalist in candidate number 8, Hurley Kim Artuque. Congratulations, Kim, for making it to the top 5.
Thank you.
And here is your final question. And read with me. The slogan is, what's new in Old Cebu? Well, globally, eco-travel is a new concept. As Miss Cebu, how would you start or strengthen ecotourism in Cebu? Again, the slogan is, what's new in Old Cebu? Well, globally, eco-travel is the new concept. As Miss Cebu, how would you start or strengthen ecotourism in Cebu?
Tourism is a huge profit-generating industry of any progressive city such as Cebu. Now, being recently declared as an ASEAN City of Culture, I could somehow strengthen ecotourism in Cebu by being proud as a Cebuana and by sharing it with others, because it is one of the best things that you can do, because the word of mouth publicity is one of the most effective tool of promoting. And secondly,
Nasa gisundugan, sir.
I can conduct conferences from other cities, which is also known as ASEAN City of Culture, so that we could somehow keep the bond and keep the relationship intact. Good evening.
That's candidate number 8, Miss Hurley Kim Artuque. So we will look forward to the conference. And finally, we call on candidate number 7. Smile loud for Miss Ella May Salvato. Hello, Ella. How is it to see everyone here?
I really thank them, because through them I found my strength.
You must be ready for the final question, which is, the slogan is, what's new in Old Cebu? Well, globally, eco-travel is the new concept. As Miss Cebu, how would you start or strengthen ecotourism in Cebu? Again, the slogan is, what's new in Old Cebu? Well, globally, eco-travel is a new concept. As Miss Cebu, how would you start or strengthen ecotourism in Cebu?
I believe, first and foremost, the sole purpose of Miss Cebu 2012 is to become an ambassador of its city. And by that, I believe that I should represent the city through using my own potentials. And as a marketing communications officer, I believe that social networking is the best way to reach the people and to promote our city. And to do that, I would like to call on all the bloggers